guys, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. Now I gotta admit, the cool thing about having a YouTube channel that has to do something with cars is you get a lot of free stuff to review. Now I just did a review on one of the Vantrue dash cams, and I love the thing. The thing is great. I leave it in my car, and it saved me a couple times, especially when someone cut me off on a throughway. But they liked that video so much, they sent me a brand new one to try out. This is brand new, like it's just on the market, and this is the Vantrue N1 Pro. And the difference between this one and the other one I have is this one supports up to a 256 gigabyte card. That's huge. I remember if you had a 120 meg hard drive in your computer, it was huge. This little camera will support up to 256 gigabytes of data. Seamless loop recording, nighttime recording, all the stuff, G-motion sensors. It's got a motion sensor built into it so that if you're parked and someone walks up to your car, it senses the motion, automatically turns on and records. If it shuts off and it senses a collision, it automatically comes on, and at least you get some video what happens. It does a lot of cool stuff. The other one does some of the same stuff, but let's just take a quick look at this. We'll take a ride, look at the picture quality, but this time I'm going to do a day and night video so we can see what nighttime video looks like, because they say here it's supposed to be super nighttime video quality. So let's take a look at the box and we'll install it. Alright, let's just take this out of the box and we'll see if it comes with the kit or comes with the camera. Probably the same stuff as before. Yeah, our quick start guide. Probably the same as the other one. Looks like the same thing. And here it is. Now that's really pretty. Look at that. That looks like a regular camera. Really, look at how small that is. Alright, here's something I like already. I see. You got the screen in the back, but the buttons are on the back. I like that a lot because the other one had the buttons on the top and on the side, and when you were driving you couldn't really see the buttons. So if you wanted to record something, it was really hard to use when it was in your car. So I like this one already. Really small. I like that. Look how small this fits in the palm of your hand. 256 gigabytes of data recording. That's amazing. And looks like the same stuff. Wire to hook up to your computer. The same outlet for your 12 volt power supply. This one also has the USB in there like the other one, which is really cool. And looks like the same jack that's a vacuum mount or the suction cup that goes on the windshield. So we might be able to use the other one, but let's put it in and we'll take it for a ride. Okay, here's the one I've been using. This is the Vantrue X1, and here's the Pro. You can see the difference on the size. This one's smaller. It looks more like a camera, but it has the same mount, so we can use the same mount. And this is what I was talking about. See how the buttons are on the top? So when you're driving down the road, you can't see the buttons. It's hard to see. This one's nice because the buttons are on the back. So when you're driving, it's have easy access to the button. So let me put this in. That might be hard to see with the white light, but it goes in the same way. Just like that. And it's already recording, so let's go for a ride. So there you have it, the Vantrue N1 Pro dash cam. Takes awesome video during the day and at night. It has the input on the bottom, or the output on the bottom for HDMI, the card slot, and USB on the side. And look at how small it is, really cool. Now if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description of this video for this product to Amazon. You can go buy one. And I think you really like it. It could save you. You never know. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.